Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set your Discord server to private. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to your Discord server through Discord account, for example, through the Discord web application or the desktop app. And what you want to do guys is access your server settings by clicking into server name here, click into server settings below, and here navigate to server profile. From here guys, scroll down to the very bottom of that menu, and here you will see the private profile feature, which is on default disabled, so you may enable it, and that is going to technically make your server a private server, which means there will be limitation to what external users here in Discord may see. For example, your server name, your server icon, and of course they won't be able to join without an invitation. So as you can see here, nice. So don't forget to save your changes, and that's basically it. After that, your server will be converted into a private profile or private server here, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.